Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Kiana. I think we can all agree that the pandemic has taken a toll on us. By the looks of it, it has taken a toll on me. Today we're gonna change that. As you guys can tell from today's video, we are doing yet again another transformation glow up video. But this time we are trying to glow up from this pandemic. But I figured we'd get ready for spring together because it's the season of wearing less and going out more, but only if you're vaccinated, of course. First step is gonna be putting in my contacts because these glasses actually make me look like I'm in middle school. So I'm just gonna take a really quick shower so I could shave. Just got out of the shower. The most important thing after shaving is moisturizing, and I want to just tell you guys about this lotion. It's so good. It's a Nivea Essentially Enriched 48-Hour Moisturizer. Yeah, I love it. It basically makes you look super shiny, but not in like a greasy, gross way. Don't care for the smell that much, but it's not to the point where I wouldn't use it because of the smell. I know what this... I just think I'm not a fan of baby powder smell. Doesn't it look... It looks pretty good. Do you guys see kind of like the glow it gives? In springtime, you just want to have dewy, fresh skin, but I think that's like any time of the year you want that. Another part of my skincare routine is putting on my chapstick. I just want to show you guys my favorite one right now. It's the Jack Black lip balm, and this stuff is so good. I've been looking for a lip balm that actually keeps your lips moisturized. I feel like a lot of the time it's just like a layer of chapstick and then it just comes off and then your lips are still dry, but this actually hydrates them, so I'm really happy to say that I found my holy grail chapstick. Alright, we're chap free. What is next? So another part of the skincare routine that's going to help give us this glowy look for spring, we are just using my toner right here. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon one, and I freaking love this. I obviously haven't even used much because I don't use it every single day. It's just when I remember to, but it smells so good. And I'm not the type of gal who's going to be using like thousands of products. I try to keep it pretty minimal since I'm a little lazy when it comes to like my nighttime routine. Okay, so my skincare is done for the most part. I'm looking glowy. I feel like I look a little dewy. Gonna be using these right here, Crest White Strips, 3D White Strips, Professional Effects. I used to whiten my teeth every so often, maybe like once every 3 months. I stopped doing it, and I think I'm gonna do it today because they could use a little refresh. I'm gonna slap these bad boys on, and then we'll check back in 20 minutes. While we're waiting, I'm gonna go set my timer really quickly, but also I'm gonna be plucking my eyebrows. Yeah, the eyebrows are a big reason why I feel like my look has been not elevated as of lately. I actually was super hairy in middle school. I actually thought that I would stay hairy, but for the most part, I'm not that hairy anymore. I literally used to shave my stomach happy trail or whatever. Something I always forget about is my mustache. If you guys don't have one of these things, I highly recommend it. I feel like a lot of people do resort to waxing, but I could not be bothered to, so we use this instead. I feel like that helped, but I don't know for sure. We're gonna just wait for my white strips to be done. By the way, these are my teeth after my whitening strips. Obviously, they look almost the same, so the effort that counts. So now I'm going to be applying my makeup, just doing the Founding Father hairstyle while we do this. I'm almost done with it, so I'm applying it like this, and yeah, I'm getting bacteria in it. But yeah, this is my favorite foundation right now. It's the Josie Maran Vibrancy Foundation. It has argan oil in it, and it's very dewy. I love it. I love a light foundation that just makes you feel good. I find that using a thick kabuki-like brush is really helpful for blending my foundation. I also like to run this over my eyelids because my eyes are always purple for some reason. I said this was a light foundation, but I literally have been zapped of all color in my face. You guys saw I just put on some primer. I put a little bit of bronzer into my crease because I feel like it just helps warm up my face a little bit more. I'm taking an angled brush just so I could create a slight wing to my eye, but not having to use like black eyeliner for this. Okay, well, I found my brown eyeliner pencil, so I'm going to go over the lines that I just created, and I might need to sharpen it for this. Now I'm going to use a brush. Using my brown Hello Kitty eyeliner from, I think, freshman year of high school. Yeah, I just don't throw anything away. But besides being gross, I'm going to be applying it with this brush. I want to just define this more because I feel like it could look really good. Okay, just so I don't bore you guys, I'm just doing my usual makeup eyeliner. The basics are done pretty much. I got my eyes done. I'm gonna put on bottom mascara probably at the end of this whole thing. Now it is time to contour a bit and just overall bronze my face because I feel like that's one of the most important steps for me. I'm taking the Tarte cream bronzer in the shade Breezy. Now I'm doing my Anastasia brow pencil. Then brush through them one more time. Then I'm taking a peachy blush from NARS. It has some golden specks in it. Now I feel like we look a lot more alive, except this lighting is still making me look kind of gray. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. Now it is time to fix our hair. I'm actually going to be crimping it with the Bondi Boost Waver, and this is amazing. I just feel like it gives you a whole nother vibe, and that's what we're trying to do today. So thankfully it's pretty easy to use. I'm just going to be taking some random sections and just going for it. I feel like it's a little intense for what I usually would go for, so I'm going to be taking my Verb Ghost Oil and just applying this to pretty much everything. I just want to make it a little more shiny, even though it is shiny already, but also to help it kind of relax a little bit more. It is time to pick out the outfit. So I just put on my outfit and I'm feeling excited about it. I think it's really cute. I had been wanting to try out like a triangle top swimsuit with the, you know, straight leg jeans look, but it's also kind of like, when would I be wearing this? I don't know, I've been seeing this look everywhere. First of all, I'm wearing this green like emerald triangle swimsuit top from White Fox Boutique. I'm obsessed with this color. I think it just looks super good with this gold jewelry. And then just like everybody else on this planet, I'm wearing straight leg jeans, and these are from Zara. I'll have the link down below if you want to find them because I was on the hunt for some straight leg jeans. Really important part in just glowing up is accessorizing. Wish I could have told my younger self this because I didn't start accessorizing with jewelry till probably last year. And guys, it makes a huge difference. I'm wearing these gold hoops from Ana Luisa. These are my favorite hoops ever. I just think they're a big statement. They look really good with crimped hair. And then I'm wearing this gold lock necklace. I like it because it's dainty. This one is just a lock necklace from Amazon. Just in case you guys want to shop my Amazon favorites, I do have a storefront and this lock necklace is on there, I believe. I do get a small commission from that. And then lastly, I'm wearing this gold bracelet, which I absolutely love. So that is the entire look for this video. I had a really fun time getting ready. I feel like we've come a long way from the beginning of this video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I will be posting like outfits and random things on there, so if you want to keep up with me, definitely follow that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!